This video is about using the Chord Chord theorem in order to find missing segment lengths within a circle. Here I have two chords that intersect inside a circle, and there's a formula that helps you to find any measure of any chord inside the circle there. So the formula is the segment A to B times B to C equals D to B times B to E. So basically, one portion of the chord times the other portion is equal to one portion of the chord times the other portion. Let's set it up using our example here. I have 3 plus 3x. I'm going to put parentheses around that, times 14 equals the other chord, 12 times 4x plus 1, close parentheses. Now I'm going to just do algebra to solve it the rest of the way. I'm going to have 14 and I'm going to distribute it to each term inside. This becomes 42 plus 42x. Then the 12 distributes to each term inside is equal to 48x plus 12. Now let's combine like terms. I'm going to do this all in one step. I'm going to subtract my 42x. Because it was positive, I'm going to subtract it over to the right. And then I'm also going to subtract my 12 to move it to the left. Now, 42 minus 12, that gives you 30. This cancels. This becomes 6x, and then the 12 and the negative 12 cancel. So now here I have x, 6x is equal to 30. Divide both sides by 6. X equals 5. Now that I solve for the variable x being 5, I can now plug it back into my equations so that I can find each missing segment length. So in green here, I'm going to multiply by the missing 5 that I have. I'm substituting the 5 in for the x. For this one, multiplying 5 in for the x. This becomes 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 gives me 18. And then 4 times 5 gives me 20, plus 1 gives me 21. So I've completed the entire circle using this formula of Chord Chord theorem.